Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Untitled channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. Today I'll be working on replacing the rear brake rotors and pads for my friend Sasha's 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. Despite we thought that we will need special German car tools, we were able to get away with just regular wrenches and a screwdriver, because it turned out you don't need to remove the rear caliper brackets to swap the rotors. Here's a list of tools you need to complete this job. New rotors and brake pads, a 1/2 inch wrench, a 5/8 inch wrench, screwdriver, a prybar or a big slated screwdriver for prying the caliper off the bracket, a bungee cord to secure your caliper, a brake piston compressing tool, a torque wrench if you want to properly torque your fasteners, a rubber mallet, brake cleaner, paper towels, silicone grease for caliper pins, drain tub for brake cleaner remnants from cleaning brakes, decent work light. Links to everything I use are in the description. Let's roll! First, jack up your car and remove the wheel.
Это фон так звучит.
Now remove the caliper pin bolts. For this particular car, you would have to hold the pin in place with a 5/8 inch wrench while removing the bolt with a 1/2 inch wrench. You can discard these bolts as the pads come with new ones. It can be a bit tough to break them loose, and you can't really use a socket and a ratchet due to limited space. Well, at least my friends know now what kind of a tool set with ratcheting wrenches I'm getting for my birthday. Let's remove the pads and the caliper. Secure it with a bungee cord and move it out of the way. Remove the lower pin. Clean it. Apply new silicone grease and put it back in. Make sure it's moving freely and not sticking. Perfect! Now remove the upper pin. Well, I accidentally removed the rubber butt as well. Let's reinstall it. Repeat the same procedure for the upper pin. Excellent! Time to remove the old rotor. Remove this little bolt first. In this case, the rotor is a bit stuck to the hub, so I'm giving it a couple of friendly whacks. Carefully remove the old rotor and discard. Don't forget to clean your new rotors with brake cleaner to remove any protective fluid film. I'm also applying some grease to the hub surface that's supposed to touch the rotor for easier removal next time. Install the new rotor and align the stud bolt holes and the securing screw hole. You can use one of the stud bolts to keep it in place while you are putting in the securing screw. Let's retract the caliper piston to allow more space for the new pads. Before you start, open the brake fluid reservoir and get someone watch the fluid level, so it doesn't overflow, which can happen because you are pushing more fluid back into the system. This type of piston uses a rotating and pushing mechanism, so it's best to use an appropriate tool. Done! Install the new pads. These come with anti-squeal application protected by paper. Peel it to expose the sticky surface. Reinstall the caliper. Install the new pin bolts. I don't have a torque spec for those, so use your best judgment and don't go too hard on them to avoid breaking. I'm also applying some grease on the rotor surface that touches the wheel from the inside to avoid sticking next time the wheel is off. Reinstall the wheel and tighten the stud bolts. Lower the car and torque the bolts. Reinstall the plastic protective caps. You're done! Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell buttons for more videos on this channel. And as always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!